Now we've seen drop-downs when we needed to select a company to edit. Now we're going to deploy the same principle in providing a drop-down for the user to select from a defined set of salutations in the update or the insert forms for the table tperson. This construct is essential to maintain database integrity by preventing users from entering multiple variations or spellings of semantically identical data items. First, open the file person edit form and replace the form post persons by deleting it and pasting the snippet examplet 6 drop-downs person edit form mod 1. Here we've separated out all of the HTML fields for the form so that the table construct is easier to understand and modify. The one we really want to change is a salutation field. So comment out this field with a double slash and paste the snippet person edit form select salutation. So this new snippet replaces the static salutation form with a drop-down menu. We select the values from TLOOKUP where lookup type is salutation, and we order by the lookup order, which is one of the fields of TLOOKUP. We run the query, and then we cycle through the values that we get from TLOOKUP and set an option clause inside our select construct so that the option is the value of the salutation. If the current salutation, which was read from the database, because we're here updating a record, the current salutation is the same as the lookup value, we set a selected flag equal to the word selected, otherwise the selected flag is null or empty. And then in our option clause, we set the selected flag space to separate it from the word option, space selected, so that when we render the drop-down menu, it will contain the existing value of the salutation for that person's record. And of course, we end the salutation field with select. You can now delete out the old salutation field, save this new version of person edit form, and run the form by opening up the list people in a company, click edit, and not only is the salutation field replaced with a drop-down, but it's captured the correct value of the salutation and put it into the drop-down edit box. We edit that Mr. George Terry to Sir George Terry and save. It's reflected, of course, in the tperson list. Of course, we should do exactly the same for the add field. So open the file company people edit, and in the form to insert person, find the field salutation, delete it, create some space, and insert the snippet. Create the salutation drop-down. Save the file, and from the home page, load the file. And now we have the same drop-down in our add. And Lady Doris Cullen comes in exactly as I typed, and there is no risk of anyone entering a semantically equivalent value for any of these drop-downs.